The day before yesterday.
The day before yesterday.
Yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Last night.
Last night.
This morning.
This morning.
Today.
Today.
Tonight.
Tonight.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night.
The day after tomorrow.
The day after tomorrow.
In the morning.
In the morning.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
In the evening.
In the evening.
Last week.
Last week.
Last month.
Last month.
Last year.
Last year.
This week.
This week.
This month.
This month.
This year.
This year.
Next week.
Next week.
Next month.
Next month.
Next year.
Next year.
The previous day.
The previous day.
The previous week.
The previous week.
The previous month.
The previous month.
The previous year.
The previous year.
The following day.
The following day.
The following week.
The following week.
The following month.
The following month.
The following year.
The following year.
Now.
Now.
Then.
Then.
At once, immediately.
At once, immediately.
Right away, straight away.
Right away, straight away.
Soon.
Soon.